Welcome to Lesson 4, Order of Operations 1. Today we'll be looking at order of operations. So just recall, the order in which we do things in mathematics is standard right across the world. We start with our brackets or our groupings, then exponents, then division and multiplication in the order in which they occur from left to right, and then addition and subtraction, again, in order from left to right. When evaluating or simplifying the sum or difference of a power, you must remember to apply the order of operations. This means that the power must be applied and simplified before the sum or difference can be evaluated. So, for example, in this question, we have 3 cubed, which is 27, minus 16, which will give us 11. All right, let's have a look here. So when we're adding or subtracting, again, we have to evaluate both of the powers first and then do our addition or subtraction. So here we have 27, subtract 9, which gives us a total of 18. Example A, again, we have to evaluate first. So we have 5 cubed, which is 125, plus 2 squared, which gives us 4, leaving us with a total of 129. B is a little different because we do have those grouping brackets there. So we'll do what's inside first. So 6 plus a negative 3 will give us a 3. And we know that that's cubed. And again, 3 times 3 times 3 will give us an answer of 27. One final example makes it a little bit more complicated, but let's have a look and work our way through it. So first things first, we're going to start with what's inside of our brackets. We're going to do that step first. So 5 minus 2 is 3 squared minus, and over here we have 1 minus negative 2, which is the same as adding, so that's 3 cubed. Again, we're going to expand, so 3 squared is 9, minus 3 cubed, which is 27, and that gives us a value or standard form of negative 18. So I'm going to leave you with a few textbook questions to do. Make sure you check your answers when you're done.